Hello my PC students. I've already opened up this file. It's called XXQBX so get yours loaded up and save it in your folder. This one's going to talk about selling price and then costs involved and then your gross profit and eventually your forecast of gross profit per unit. So first of all, what we want to look at is we want to say if you know the selling price of each unit is $59 and you're going to produce 5,000, then your forecast, and I'm going to put your sales over here because I want you to make it easier for you to understand. So your forecast of gross sales would be equals your 5,000 units times your price. Okay, and that would give you 295,000. Okay, I'm going to pick up your dollar sign here and paint this just so it makes it easier for you to read. And units produced, we don't need two decimal places here because it's units. All right, okay, so now you've calculated the gross sales, so that made sense to you. Your fixed costs were 50,000, okay, and your variable costs are $35 per unit. So the total variable cost then would be equals, and you have variable cost per unit $35 times the number of units produced, 5,000, and that would give you your variable costs. Okay, I'm going to move your fixed costs over here so that now we can have the total costs, which I will put here. So this is going to equals the sum of the fixed costs, comma, and the variable costs. And now you can see I have put sales out here and I have put your total costs here, so it makes it very easy for you to see, okay, what's the gross profit? So then I'm going to say take my selling price, my sales, minus my total costs, which gives me my gross profit of $70,000. So how much is my profit per unit? Well, then I would have to take my gross profit divided by the number of units, and I would get $14 per unit. So that's how much it'll cost to produce that. So that's pretty straightforward, I think. You've got your selling price, you took your units times your price. Okay, then we had our fixed costs and we had the variable costs. And the variable costs were you took 5,000 number of units times $35, which gave you 225. And now your gross profit is your sales minus your costs gives you gross profit. And then your price per unit is the amount of gross profit divided by the number of units. Okay, I need a format on this one, and I'm going to pick up this format and I'll put two decimal places on it so that it's consistent to match. Okay, so that's what you wanted, so let's go Control S to save. Now leave this one open because we're going to use it in the next video. We'll stop here for right now.